Mwanju muliri Ndizi TV asobera dena nechinga kichinde ko kwarena mangana maya kano jichara gire Chinsa Isano na Ibere elinkwarira ninkoteina ali twagusangiri kuri akede go ikaboni no gosemeri kwana nenda dutwara litiko liyane nekerere weekend litiko liye sabato gosichuma mosi bale baende kanisa na ndabane bale bayari ndi kwenda se kanisa litiko liankyo bale balenga na bale barura se kanisa ni ngo bari kandi barumuranyora mangana yo asenjera yo kuyachuta irimara mayanga kinsege ndrede gosina lyande watakaime na isko ya Gusii kajitariki 15 na Ibere mutino yo 12 mwaka ujirubere nemerongo ebere nibere kona kubuli karanso ikinyora nabo kwenda utubote sensema ya mitandao Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News digital baiga sensema ya YouTube nabo tonyora Ndizi TV News yokonya jinga kito tweet @Ndizi TV News yakaranga kiao karuge tumu gutira sin namba ira siskini yawo igorab Auta nero rasense merio monwe manyerio ekerabi gairi nyancha makwene kibuna chibijana maliga gochira senjara bene nenjiko ko yaretera Brighton Makori soko ya chaka ni gobone serikali ya nyadege koborigwa koimuke bitambogero na korigi bali banyadete bako murusia maiso umwano yomo korwa sense meri ya marani kero muichano yandete kubwata ensemo ya Gusii ase bikorubune bigokorekana ni gobona begereri iba bwene bwo manya bantu banyadire baweso kena kobori bonanere buya bantu banyare bakobekwa biara na kwirwe getambogere getindi ekieri jiko kaukwane getaseni TV Osoro oyoro yo mobo abagereri beri chiko Thompson Osoro oyoro yo mobo abagereri beri chiko so bwana bwanya bantu nigo bana tebruna umwana oyo natakire konyora obwene bwaye
tane ngoro Thompson Osoro no mwegereri bwo mumaene bwa mwanya bantu ega koneke kiabete umwana umusinini akobochorwa maiso no muntu utamanyekaine otetetetebi abantu bakuru kuna community policy abantu bakuru ko batureti abantu bakuru ko basand chief abantu bakuru ko ba chief korwero karitieria alio so mwana uri akorera tuige tendo kiria abochore tu amaisons p otetorano omuntu uri obwatiru obeire church dikotin totally ntoganyira mon all the security agencies simoimo kirego tetorra ochungusi akori no muntu uri obwatiru oiru kotin ekenega konege egente bona yo muntu yogo korege ento muneke ogoito omwana ore innocent no bole makurete omwana ori nkiago korere tokumuita okobochoro omwana amaiso kwa more mari wana kwale mairi omwana uri mwana obeire kerema bono etetetorere n'abantu ababwatiru abantu ori bakuru kuna security agencies bonsi be right from community policy otete mosoki kabisa mokore investigation abantu bari babwatu immediately no amba kubwatu nkomanya tole kitogo karamuna into abantu banyuma rights iri
bobore mia sense ya Kenya limitika rintuni gobona nyarkade aba Bwana serikali endete kubika mirubiri ya bene kwene kibuna ngo kinire birengo bibole mia sense ya Kenya kaukwana na buri tukuri orekeranya nete na babwatani bechinsemo ao asense ya Kenya ni bwana tebine serikali inse yoburaibu muraibu ense Dr. William Ruto ni yabekire mirubiri mia yogochi gosira obole mia sense ya Kenya mirubiri oyo osomusangano yuni kanetwe na bagabana ase baraetu n'umunyakero babo ani waiguru oyoro umugabana we county ya Kirinyaga.
I have no doubt in my mind that in the current era, science and innovation, technology is the right way to go. But our institutions have done a lot of research that if applied or used will go a long way in transforming the manner in which we do agriculture.
In the spirit of collaboration and consultation, the national and county governments will work together to ensure inclusive policy and project development to enable the country achieve food and nutrition security. The national and county governments will put in place appropriate measures to address current challenges in agricultural production to ensure the country becomes food secure and net exporter of agricultural products in the short run. The two levels of government are committed to moving the 2 million chronically food insecure to food.
Serikali ni gavana ya Nyarige kuburiwa komente nengo gochase iskuru je university gosijiskuru asense yeito ya Kenya baukwa na buri twikorekero baikeranete asumo yakaboko wekero chiguto cha boroko abanyarte bagokora kuri wasi university ya Kabarak umunyakero bo wekyama gya kanu bago kabero mo senator we county ya Baringo umurai wekyama kyawe bakaronso musyoka ni gavana banyarire bakoboriye serikali komenta chibese gochase university erigo kini birengo bigisemya sense ya Kenya.
The students who are graduating today have drunk from the fountain of knowledge founded and made accessible by the second president of Kenya, His Excellency President Daniel Toroitich Arap Moi, some 22 years ago. We are proud of our founding chancellor, and we are proud of you, our graduates.
We are degrading higher education in this country. We even try now to suggest that even higher education laws board will be reviewed negatively to the detriment of so many Kenyans who are deserving of education.
I call on our national government to increase the capitation for student sponsorship to match the rate of inflation. It is increasingly becoming difficult for the universities to meet the high cost of tuition at the current rate of capitation from the government.
Umugabana we county ya Machakos wa Vinyandeti ni gabana aboliri ababwatani awao amana bayiboli kwena nko balinda bala abana babo anenekara barasomutumuko weruzaka ukwana ase county eyo anekaranyardega kwarigania abana asemeyega awao ase county ya somusimwe we Christmas ni gabana tebuna nerebuya abana barendwe na onde bwensi ura nyoreka gochona jana lyo mwana airuge tambugero egatindi.
Celebrate our children today. We also have a duty to guard and protect them from negative and harmful exposure, especially during the long-term school holidays. I am disturbed to learn that cases of violence against children as well as sexual exploitation of underage children have been on the rise in the different parts of Machakos County. I appeal to the parents and the society in general to ensure children are secure and not left unattended to the masses of the sexual offenders. I have directed the relevant department in my government to work closely with the children's offices in the sub-county levels as well as chiefs and village elders to deal with this menace of sexual exploitation of our children.
Senator we county ya Viga ni gabana nyaririga kwa mirire birengerero by'umurayi bwense Dr. William Ruto ebya nyaraga kurikali uko gochiase ebunge nene neriye senate buna ekatiba neta kero korerwa munjiriro ase binto bikebirase katibe yokorengana no senator icho chikanil ni gabana tebiruna ya yamangana yuta ko basense ya Kenya korengana ba Kenya mbara rubirongore byabo igoro yogo change kwe katiba.
All the stakeholders must be involved. Pana ya kusema unapendekeza mabadiliko ya katiba kumbe unatukejeli. Nimeona mswada ambao umeletwa kule National Assembly. Mswada bill ambayo inaitwa Equalization Fund Bill. Hiyo bill nimeisoma na mimi kama senator wenyu nimepinga hiyo bill. Nimesema hiyo bill irudishwe iende ichapishwe upya. Kwa sababu hiyo bill inasema kwamba kaunti 36 peke yake ndio zitapata hiyo pesa. Hii yetu iko miongoni mwa kaunti 11 ambazo zitanyimwa hiyo pesa. Kwa sababu wanasema ati kiwango chetu cha maendeleo kiko juu zaidi. Na mimi najua watu wako kwa milima huko South Maragoli. Wengine wako kwa Jepkoyai na wapi. Wanapitia kwa tabu. Hata kupata maji ni shida.
Kadogoska bosioni kurega tindi kiarurego jase bali ba kwaro bonjorodi wa marwase county ya Kericho ba kwana abo babanyanyimbo korwa sensemeyo ni obate na marwa manga kale koni wa sensemeyo na ali atanjeiri asabana bate na mbali gochi otigonde bwense agendere koni marwa yo asensemeyo karawa sa bange batoka ne nani bagara utumia marwa yo.
Hiyo gari ambayo ilikuwa ni Nissan Caravan ilipopelekwa police station ilipatikana kwamba ilikuwa na carton 95 za zikiwa in packages ya 20 bottles per carton ya pombe ambayo inaitwa Best. Out of these 95 boxes, only 16 ambao ni genuine, ambao ziko na KRA stamps, lakini 79 of them ni counterfeit. They have nothing, hazijaripiwa ushuru. Value ya counterfeit goods ni 316,000. Already the taxes ambao zimepotezwa ni 184,364. Tunaamrisha kwamba pombe yote isijaribu kuwa distributed usiku. Kwa hivyo askari wawe on the lookout. And that is it apply for the entire Kericho County.
Umawasiri of Foreign Affairs Reverend Mutuani wana tebiri na kia serikali ya Kenya bete miruberio yokwenda kuna aba Kenya kwenye oriji passport na onekero ba kwenda sijinsi jisiko na mbali ba kurujinsi jisiko hoja sinse tia Kenya.
On terms of passports, we're working on a system whereby we'll have a roving biometric machine that will be able to go around the country, so you can come do your biometrics and get your documents. We're also working on a system whereby we will get offices to be dealing with issues of visas and IDs and others where you are or close to where you are, so you don't have to tarmac and go long places. We're also working on an issue in the American spirit that if you want your passport, regular speed of 2 weeks, you pay the normal fee. If you want it in 1 week, you can pay $500. If you want it in 4 hours, you pay $2,000, so that to pay for the charges of getting the services, for you to be able to get the service you need when you need it. But we're also going to create a system that is predictable, so that you know when you need a document, this is what you need to do. And I think His Excellency will talk about our program of his government to have services online so that you don't have to deal with human beings.
Asense maya yomu wasiro trade Moses Kuria nerani gata yatabana na kiense maya enhero ya bikire mirobrio yokwene kuno bonchoro linko endrabura asense meyu igati ense ya America mo nense ya Kenya bawasiri baya kwaneta yo asense ya America ekero barasitaro ya abo asense meyu ekero ba mutareseti umurayibwense Dr. William Ruto oyore asense ya America.
We are going to open up warehouses, at least 7 warehouses here in the United States, where we can be able to bring our Kenyan products, and you can be able to take up our Kenyan product from here, including right here from Washington, because before it has been very difficult to sell our products here. But now, even if you are from Nyeri, and the governor of Nyeri is here, you can be able to bring your product from Nyeri, even if you don't know anybody in the US, put your goods there, and then you are going to work with e-commerce people like Amazon and yourselves and be able to take them from there. And by the way, for that, I'm encouraging the business people who are here to come to our warehouses, register as our distributors, and not only benefit from your remittances, but even be our own distributors and make some money here and help us to create jobs back home. As the CS has said, on the area of investment, we are working together with Dr. Mutua to ensure that we make it very easy for you to remit money back home.
Boy gobano murai bwense Dr. William Ruto no ara sense ya America kero achete na bawasiri abu asebano anyarete kagosie ko muroberi go sabgetie kengere kyogosie ko muroberi o New York Exchange ase aba atebedabna wanabo ba matobu yakati yense ya America mana Kenya babekire yokone kuna gojibare go kora magendero azijinse chyo Ibere tetora na kyomurai bwense anyarete akubiye kengere ikyo asense meyo ya America. Ibonara gendreda senseri America kerumura ibwensi hatari tense meyu na chacha to tevina mange alia tanyardika okora sense me keradarde na watani be serikali yaye ya Kenya kwanza wikabu manjumuri nango ikomweli ba manganaito Amayia Chinsa no bire konde nyina chikura Chinsa ikomi ikorogense ya mo na insisto tuganyora yubuna ndete watakeme na isko ya Gusii chosho Auta neroringa sense meyu munwe mayelio ekarabgairi nyanja marenga sense meyu ndekwene kuna maliwine chibicha go jeira senjira bene nenjina kwa eretera Brighton Makori.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Gusii.
Wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas.
Television ya Ndizi TV nigo yabwatiranire na Keumbu Holiness Children's Home ilyugo korentera umurubiri asugusira abana chintakana na kubanyorera kisemi endagera nenchera yokomenya asumurubiri bwogokonya abana 112.
Ungana na Ndizi TV tarehe 18 ya mwezi huu wanapokuja kutusherekea nasi watoto wa Keumbu Holiness Children's Home. Tunaomba muhisani yoyote ama wale wote wako na roho mzuri, wako na kitu chochote wanaweza saidia, waungane na wao ili tusherekee pamoja.
Bono na bogo tumugusira kwebinto buna chianga amarangeti ebitamba ebitabu ebikoroto endagera nebinto binde binge guikasi chiabisichito Ndizi TV echo kirebo chobwechiro ya embassy Ibere kogenda nyakohe asenyumba ya New Brighton apartment gose otomegetoro kiao bunebesa guchia se paybill number isatenoti account number Ibere noti isato Isano na Ibere eyemo Isano na isato eyemo Ibere Isano Absa Bank.
Asamaria tankoro kwa Reverend Apel Onchari director ya Keumbu Holiness Children's Home. Yotoko basaba obwanchane bwino no bwanje kwino okoro kuya munyare kutume bitoki bino uchiase Ndizi TV none PayPal yetonto begetensari na bakonyora ne account number kiri obwatege koko tumago chiororo na musigo ndo bwese uratware onyoto muchiase Ndizi TV egere tokonye abana abaiga especially ngake ya Christmas ntokanetie school fees ya abana aba bagosoma maiga abana bari chi university abana bari chi college abana bari chi primary katoko sherekea abana baitu na baro banyare kuigu buyanga mbabwata abayibuli babo nonya abayibuli babo tibaya abande basirite kare lakini abo bakwinga amaene twanyorero kubato koboko na Ndizi TV na abancho baya umucyo bosongose Gusii yeito
gurabe kitariki 13 cyumutinyo yo 12 umwaka wibukiro bwibere na 22 Chinsa Isano nise tucha mugaso asobo menyo bwabo aliense mu ya Keumbu ogo konya kwa ukwarero nigo kugucha gonchoria obugima bw'umwana ntakana ankyo